are going to learn today how to simplify a fraction. We know fraction is a kind of division. Here, this one is a circle. I divided it into equal to pieces and I have take two parts. Here I have divided equal to part. That's why denominator 2 and taken part is 2. It means this is an full circle. We know full things means 1. That's why we can write 2 by 2 1. It means if we get denominator and numerator similar number, then answer will be 1. Again, second one, here I have divided it into equal 4 parts. That's why denominator 4 and taken part is 4. Here color part is taken part. Taken part is 4. No, denominator and numerator is equal. That's why answer will be 1. We know fraction is a one kind of division. That's why we can write 2 divided by 2 equal 1 and 4 divided by 4 equal 1. First rule is if numerator and denominator is same, we will get answer 1. Means upper number and lower number. If we get upper and lower number same, answer will be 1. Here 1 by 1 equal 1. 5 by 5 equal 1. Second rule, if denominator is 1, means lower part is 1, we will get as answer numerator, means upper number. Then again, if lower number is 1, we will get upper number. 5 by 1 means 5. If there is 7987 by 1, then that answer will be 7987 also. In another way, we can write 5 by 1 equal 5 divided by 1. 5 divided 1 means 1. Third and last rule for this class, if we get 0 at the end of numerator and denominator, we will cancel both zeros and rest of number will be answer. If we get this type of fraction number, if we get 0 in both numerator and denominator, we will simplify this like that. We will cut this 0 and answer will be only this portion, 4 by 7. Again, we get 2 zeros from the end. At the end we get 2 zeros. So we will cut 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here. Answer will be this portion, 4 by 9. I am simplifying more maths. Here 1 0 1 0. Answer will be 3 by 400 because there are no 0 left. We know same denominator and numerator are same. That's why answer will be 1. Here 2 0. Here I will be cut 1 0 from up numerator and 1 0 from denominator. 1 0 from numerator, 1 0 from denominator. There is in the denominator there is no 0 left. That's why we can't cancel these zeros. So answer will be 10 by 4. In this math, from numerator, from up 1 down 1, up 1 0 down 1 0, up 1 0 down 1 0, so left 2 by 3. Answer will be 2 by 3. Here up 0 1 cross, down 0 1 cross, up 0 1 cross, down 0 1 cross. There is no 0 left in denominator. That's why answer will be 20 by 1. But we know if we get denominator 1 here, can you remember what will be the answer? Answer will be 20.